close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Targaye Nicole here. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. I am this close to you because the pile is high, honey. The pile is high. So I'm not trying to be all up in your face, but we need to work on this pile. So this is going to be, and this is zoomed out, like this is zoomed out. So I don't know. It'll get better, I promise. So this is the pile of stuff, craft stuff. So all this stuff on this table is crafting items. Let me see if I can make this a better view for you guys. I think that might be a little better. So these would be like planner stuff, just general craft stuff, papers, stickers, anything and everything. So I went around my house and anything that was visible to me that I could find, I picked up and put in this pile. And then I had some stuff in like an IKEA drawer. I picked up those. They were in this little bag here and this in this pile. So let's just get right into this video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. If you like what you see, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. This is a channel, my channel is usually about budgeting and Poshmark items and things like that. But today I am doing what we call our March Madness Marie Kondo inspired video. And I'm doing a collaboration with The Average Life of Cassandra. And we choose something to declutter from our space every week. So this is week 3. And if you want to check out my previous 2 weeks, they'll be linked up in the iCards. But let's get to this right here. So first, let's do a little mini haul because I went to the dollar store and I picked up some stickers for a challenge I plan on having. So, oh, actually, let's do this one first. I finally ordered this sticker kit or the sticker book from Amazon. Because everybody was like, you know, you're always getting kits, but you should really just get the budget stickers. So I was like, you know, that's right. I don't want to spend my money on a whole bunch of kits anymore. Or like separate sticker kits that are only going to last me 1 month. So I picked this up. I haven't, as you see, it was in paper. It just got here today. But from the flip through, I'm liking what I see. So that's cool. Let me know. I'm pretty sure there's tons of flip throughs on this. I don't think it's a new book. So if you want to see a flip through, let me know. If not, it's the budget book. I'm excited that I have that. Then I went to the dollar store for a challenge I'm going to have. But I was super surprised to find that they had really nice stickers. So this is a dollar store set of stickers. I think they're gorgeous. Look at the patterns and stripes. Y'all know they got stripes and polka dots. So I'm in love. Pretty flags out. You know, that's $1. And then I picked up these that were $1 as well. Did I need more stickers? Absolutely not. But it's for a challenge. They had this. It was the only one. I was so excited. I love Lisa Frank. Look at those Lisa Frank stickers, guys. I didn't like that all of them were kind of teeny on this page, but that's all right. This page is like, I wonder if they'll fit my boxes in my happy planner, but we're gonna find out. They're so pretty. Then there was just something weird about this food one that I kind of really liked. I thought they were so adorable. They're called Shopkins. I don't know who they are or if there's a show. If you know, you can let me know. But I just thought they were adorable. And then this is just, I just like this for a specific reason, but you guys will know later. And then I had to pick these up because I always see people picking up like full happy planner books that have letters on them. And these are so pretty. Look, they're like floral letters. So I think in their back and front, and they were $1. So I was like, oh, I can always use these if I ever want to write something without having to like use the letters out the book. But that's okay. So that was what I picked up. That's my little mini haul in this declutter crap. So here are some dashboards I bought. You guys saw that in another haul that I did. And I was supposed to be making like vision boards and whatnot with these. But you know what? I can't see them so they don't get used. So what I want to do is make sure they're protected. I'm not going to keep that. So I have my garbage next to me. I really want to say, because I'm going to speed through some of this. What I want to say to you guys about this particular declutter is that sometimes it's not that, because I don't think I'm going to get rid of anything in my stash because I love everything that's in it for the most part. But what I want to say is sometimes it's not that your stuff needs to get thrown out. really. It's that you need to have a home for your items. And I find that you'll see the little storage container under the bottom there is what I'm currently using. And that is not sufficient. Okay, that's not gonna work. It's not going back in there. So that's going in the garbage. These are just grid line papers. And then, yeah, these are the grid line papers out of that note paper set that I had. I'm gonna put everything in that. This was just the line it up thing. This is completely empty. It's garbage. Was I saying something? I feel like I was saying something. Oh, so it's not that, let me just get that thought out. It's not always that you don't have, you don't want all the stuff you have, or you need to get rid of things, because you guys know we're frugal and happy over here. We drink our water, mind our business, and we're just trying to be frugal and happy. And it's not that you have to throw things away or get to be this really, really get rid of everything and super minimalist person. I think if things make you happy, you should keep them. But the key to that is keeping them in somewhere that they actually fit. So like the storage that I have for all my things is this little bin here. And at one point it did fit everything, but now it doesn't. So it definitely doesn't. And so now I'm just trying to transition everything into a bigger storage. So I did actually pick something bigger up to store the rest of my items in, because I would like them to all be in one place. And then I can always use this storage for something else. Okay, finally got those in there so these can stay in here. These are actually, this pouch I got at a thrift store. I loved it. It had a little frill thing, but it came off, so I just had to do this. But this little frill thing actually houses all the rest of my planner month pages, because I only keep like 3 to 4 months at a time, because I don't like my planner to get too bulky. So that's what's in there. I'm just gonna put them off to the side as I go. So I'm gonna just start decluttering things. I found this 40 sheet of computer paper. You guys, seriously, this paper, brand new, still has the daggone plastic on it. And I have, like, why haven't I not used this? Why haven't I used this? It's ridiculous. I have a business. I could have been writing thank you cards on this. Even setting up a printer to print out thank you cards on this instead of buying thank you cards. What am I doing? That's what I mean. I buy so many things and I don't know they're there, so I don't use them. And you guys remember this was on the table, so this needs to go in a craft box. This is my current craft storage, and it's full. It's seriously full.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. Valentine's Day just went by and I didn't even use these.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the waste.
Why?
Dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Note cards. Look at this. I bought note cards. Bought note cards. I could have been sending these. I had them. I could have wrote them up as thank you cards for Poshmark orders. I can even use them for Etsy orders. Okay, as you can see, after going through all that stuff, a lot of duplicates. And that's the problem with not having everything in the same place and knowing what you have. Like, this ties into budgeting, because if you're budgeting, you don't want to be wasting money buying double of things. I have 2 staple guns.
Why do I need 2 staple guns? I have 2 sets of staples. I have 2 glue guns, 2 sets of glue sticks. I'm just like, a whole bunch of doubles. For what? I didn't need 2 of these. I just didn't.
Anyway, now let me show you that I bought at Michael's.
The Big Daddy.
Look, all that stuff doesn't fit in there, and there's not even the paper stuff in there yet. So I went ahead, and I'll try and leave a picture on the screen. This is a much bigger one. As you can see, like, this could fit inside of this. So that's what I'm saying. Sometimes you just need to upgrade your storage instead of getting rid of things, because I'm not going to buy another glue gun. And I like my leopard pink glue gun. Alright, so I'm going to put stuff that I don't use all the time on the bottom, or the duplicates on the bottom. So
we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
these, I feel, need to go in a paper storage. I mean, they could fit in here, but when I'm looking, this is a gift card holder for Christmas. These are thank you cards, and this is just a regular cute thank you card. So these need to go with paper gift storage ideas. This looks so much better, you guys. The single washes are in here. These clips, my things for the glue guns, the extra loose stickers are in here. And I'm going to have another solution for stickers, so I hope to bring this down a lot. The 4 sticker books that I actually have, and the dollar store stickers, and then the inserts and everything. And I feel like when I go in here, I kind of already know where things are, and I can just move them up and down. So I feel good about that. And so this is not full, which is amazing. So I still have room. I have room in here to add more. And all over here is empty, and I could do that, and then this is empty. So I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. And this is done. So what we have left are the paper books. And I figured, why not reuse our old storage? So this is the smaller storage. Oh god, this is the smaller storage. And I'm going to just put all the books in there, because I don't want the books to be up underneath everything, because I need to get to them, because they're like for business. Oh, that's perfect. And I can probably even fit 1 or 2 more in there. So now this smaller case is for book storage, and I would just stack them, the big one and then the small one, and that's it. So that's pretty much the storage. This is the smaller one. As you can see, it pretty much would fit inside the large. This is the large one, which is a lot thicker and bigger. So I can just stack them in a corner, and they'll look neat and nice, and I will know where everything is. I gotta figure out a way to get these stickers off, because I don't want those there. But that's neither here nor there. So now all my craft storage is put away and in one place, and hopefully I will not be buying any duplicates of anything, because I know exactly where everything is. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me declutter my craft supplies. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Bye!